Well, good afternoon, my ladies and my gents. This is kind of a quick down and dirty that I got going on here, and I wanted to show how to make a ratchet binder for a truck, flatbed truck. Basically, what a ratchet binder is, and they do get tangled like this. What a ratchet binder is you have a barrel here, and you've got a handle that actually has, I didn't duplicate the ratchet in there, that's all just spray paint. I didn't duplicate the ratchet, I'm just getting the idea. But you've got a handle, this is a barrel, it's threaded inside here. This is a threaded outside like a screw. And this has a mechanism that you can move back and forth, and as you do one way, it'll actually suck these two screws in, tightening the chain. If you flip a little lever and go back, it'll actually loosen it. And get better control over tightening chains with this. I was of two minds. I always use the snap binders, the ones you go and you heave and you go clack and they snap shut. But I needed a couple of ratchet binders to do my little Porsche Junior tractor to tie it down onto my trailer. So, but nobody makes them. So, okay, real quick, down and dirty. Start with some 3.2 millimeter. Where did I even put it? Here it is. I start with some 3.2 millimeter 1/8 inch tube. I cut, now these are all in millimeters because they relatively match the real sizes of the inches in real world. But I cut this roughly 10 millimeters long, and then I cut two more of 2 millimeter rod. Just your basic 2 millimeter rod. I cut them 11 millimeters and long, and then I go and I drilled a 1/2 millimeter hole in this end, and I grabbed some picture hanger wire and wrapped, basically, let me get a little piece of picture hanger wire. I just, real simple, to make the loop on it, you just grab a hold of it, twist it around. I like picture hanger wire because it is very easy to work with. It's, well, when you got tweezers that actually want to work, those just want to snap sideways. You just twist it around like that. And just a general loop, doesn't have to be perfect. Get a piece of chain, like jewelry chain. This came with the Peterbilt 359 kit, and from Revell. And you just get I got a piece of some tweezers and some little pliers, and there is a spot in there where you can tell, and it'll spread apart. And I spread it out, and then I put around the loop, and then just squeezed it shut. And then for the hook end, I just took that picture hanger wire, made another loop, fed that in there, and brought it out. And then when I actually put it on the chain, I'm not going to fit it around like we do on the flatbeds. I'm actually going to hook into a chain. Say that I've got my chain here. I'm actually going to get the hook, and, well, I'm trying to do it there. I'm going to do it like this and then close it so that it looks like it's hooked. But now to put this together, make sure the ends of the 3.2 millimeter tube is big enough to accept the 2 millimeter. You may have to waller it out a little bit. I'm going to have to with that. But also, to get the handle, a little bit of 1.5 millimeter rod, and I just squashed it up with a pair of pliers. That's all I did. I'm gonna give it that flattened look, and then I kind of round off the end. I haven't got that, but you just kind of round off the end. It's not square in real life. And real easy to do. Just there you go. On the barrel, drill out a hole, roughly in the middle, big enough that this will fit in. And well, it was a minute ago. About like, then glue that in. Go ahead and do that real quick. Almost out of glue. Yes, I still use the tube. Been using it for years and I've had no problems. It's a little goopy sometimes, but let's see. Let's take the handle. Now the handle, the flat part, needs to be like this to make it look right. But then you just kind of clean these up a little bit so that they'll fit in. I'm gonna make sure that's straight. Get it in camera and make sure that it, well, pooty. It fit a little while ago. I may have to do a little bit of work, but when you get done, you slide that into the middle, and when you're done, you have something that looks like this. They come in black and red and yellow. You can also get them in some custom colors, so I'm going to paint these black just for giggles and laughs because I can. But there you go. Quick and easy, down and dirty Ratchet chain binders. So that's all I got for today. I just wanted to do that before I got it all finished up. And so until next time, my ladies and my gents, model on, have fun. Be sure and go check out Josh over at bcgresins.com. Use my promo code Jester10, Jester10, to get 10% off your order. I'll not bug you much longer. And so y'all have a great day. B-Tex signing out.